Hey guys, Ashley Pederson here with Promo Realty, and I'm at our newest listing, 2023 Meadow Lane. This is a great property in a fabulous neighborhood, very sought after. Darling home, very well taken care of. The nice thing about this home is it has 4 true bedrooms. Beautiful hardwood floors in there. Pretty big kitchen, and then off the kitchen is a large family room, and that overlooks the fenced-in backyard. So great neighborhood, lots of space, 2 full bathrooms, also a 1-car garage that a lot of times in these older homes the garage is not usable, but this one is. There's plenty of space in there. So sit back and enjoy the tour.